how to use Trader Joe Avalanche Exchange. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on Trader Joe Avalanche Exchange, how we can use Trader Joe. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to traderjoexyz.com. Keep in mind it's not traderjoe.xyz, it's traderjoexyz.com. Once you get to the website, this is where you will get. This is our platform. It's one of the very famous platform out there when it comes to trading, and we will be discussing that how to get started with Trader Joe Avalanche and how we can actually use it. So what you guys need to do is the first thing is once you get to the platform, you will have to connect your wallet. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna click on connect my wallet, and then we have all of the different options. I'm gonna connect my MetaMask. If you do not have a MetaMask, it's really easy to get. You can go to metamask.io and create your own wallet. There will be a video on the channel as well on how to get a MetaMask. So you will just open it up. I'm gonna simply type in my password really quickly. And now you can see we can just sign in. So I'm going to click next and connect. And there you go. My Trader Joe is being connected. Okay. When it comes to Trader Joe, you will actually need an Avalanche mainnet C chain. So you can get it from here. You can see the chain ID is going to be 43114, and this is going to be the network URL. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to approve and add this network, which is the Avalanche network. And I'm going to switch to this network. And now my MetaMask has Avalanche network. So that's actually one step that you will have to do. Make sure that your wallet has Avalanche network, and then you will be able to simply connect it. So my wallet has been connected. Now we're good to go. That was the first step that you need to do as well. Now let me show you around the platform. The first option is the trade. Of course, it's a trading, as you can tell by the name, Trader Joe. And then we have pool, farm, which will allow us to actually earn rewards. And then we have launch, lend. We can also lend crypto using Trader Joe. We have stake, and then we also have an NFT marketplace. So we are getting all of these different options, and that's what I will be showing you how you can use it for trading, and I'll show you all of the different options as well. Before we get into the features, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto and using these platforms involve high degree of risks, or whether you afford to lose money or not. So make sure that you truly understand everything, and then you can just, get started with it. This video is a beginner's tutorial for the platform on how to use Trader Joe Avalanche Exchange. That being said, let's jump into it now. So I'm going to click on trade first. Let's check out the trade option. So this is where we can do the trading. And what we can do is we can swap our tokens and we can swap our assets. So right now I have selected AVAX. So I'm going to go with a little famous, or the one that you will be using, probably Bitcoin or maybe BNB. So I'm gonna go with BNB. Okay, and right here I'm gonna exchange it to, let's change BNB. Okay, let's do it to Bitcoin. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. So we have BNB and we have BTC. So this is going to be the exchange now. From, let's say I have 1,000 BNB. So 1,000 BNB will give me 7.7045 Bitcoin. So this is what the price is right now. Keep in mind the pricing I'm showing you right now are at the time of making this video, and they may vary when you will be checking out the platform. So if you have 1,000 BNB, then you can get estimated 7.7 BTC. If we go with 10 BNB, then we have 0.1 and 19 BTC. Similarly, if I have something bigger here, okay, let's maybe switch them. So now I'm going from BTC to BNB. So let's say that I have 1 BTC on me. So I'm gonna just type in 1. So it will give me 78.59 BNB. So this is the price right now, 0.0127228 BTC per BNB. So this is how we use the trading. We swap our tokens, and we can just simply swap our assets and coins very easily using Trader Joe. So this is how you will be doing it. And now what I can do is I can add the BNB to my wallet that I have here. It depends on your wallet as well, how many funds you actually have in your wallet. So this is the simplest, switching here, very easy to use. Then we have our own marketplace available on Trader Joe. So that's what I'm gonna do now. now, you can see like top gainers. So these are all the tokens available. If you're wondering your token, the one that you're tracking, is available on Trader Joe or not, so you can check them out from here. We have AVAX, we have USDC, with Joe, BTC, GMQ, WebDai, Link. So all of them are available here, the name of the token, and then we have a 24-hour volume. So this is the 24-hour volume for all of the tokens here. Then we have the pricing, and this is the price right now. Then we have 24-hour percentage and 7-day percentage given here. So this is going to be our marketplace. Now, once you select any of the token, let's say I go with Bitcoin right here. So I will just select it, and then it will open up the swapping for me, and I will be able to add funds to my wallet and swap them. So the options we're getting here are also kind of like shown here. So we have checked out the trading, right? So I'm gonna go to the pool now and show you how the pool works on Trader Joe. So you can see right here we have TVL 7 days. This is the volume right now, the price, and I can create a pool for myself, and this is going to be all the pairs available. And you can see there are more than 50 pages, and all of the famous pools are available. The famous ones are, of course, Bitcoin, AVAX, and we have others as well. And you can search by name and symbol. If you go to my pools, it will show you the pools that you have created. To create a pool, you can just click on create pool. And now what I can do is I can add funds. I need to select 2 tokens, input plus input. So let's go with, I'm going to create my own pool, and I'm going to go with BNB. So this is going to be my first token. And the second token I want to go for can be anything. We can create our own pool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to again create a pool of my own, which is going to be BTC. So it's going to be BNB, Binance one, and the Bitcoin one. So these are going to be my 2 tokens now. And this is how you create a pool. Now we just need to enter our input and then enter an amount, and that's it. Your pool is created. You are the first liquidity provider of the pool. And then the ratio of the tokens you add will set the price of this pool. Once you're happy with the rate, click supply to review. That's how it simply works. So this is how you can create a pool on Trader Joe. Really easy platform to use. I really like Trader Joe. That's why, because it's really simple and it does not complicate things for you. So you can create your own pool from here. Then we have a farm option available. Now in farm, you can see we can check out the farms. Again, we are getting 2 tokens and the liquidity is shown right here. Pool APR, farm APR, and your stake. So you can just click on boost and you will be able to provide the funds and boost this liquidity. So this is the price, and you can select any of these and boost them. These are all different pairs available. We have Top Farms, Boost, Joe, and Stables, and My Farm option right here. Then we have launch, land, and stake. So if I just take you to staking now, you can see right here, earn more with your Joe token. So if you have a Trader Joe staked token, these are the different tokens available on Trader Joe. There's an S Joe, R Joe, We Joe, and X Joe. So the total supply of the tokens are given right here. And in staking, we can stake these Joe tokens and earn rewards and make money. So you can, of course, earn stable coins, and you can earn farm rewards. You can withdraw the money, or you can participate in launch events. So these are the tokens that we can use for staking on Trader Joe. And moving on, we have an NFT marketplace, which is like a separate, which is known as joepex.com, and this is the NFT marketplace available. Again, I will just connect my wallet and I will be able to use it, but of course it's like a separate thing. Right here on Trader Joe, we kind of focus on trading and pool farm and staking when it comes to traderjoexyz.com. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was big help to you, and now you know how to use Trader Joe Avalanche exchange. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, or leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.